Hi, this is Halima from the Runnymede Trust. We're here with a simple message to save lives. Say yes to the vaccine.
There are distracting voices in our Black and minority ethnic communities, spreading doubt and alarm. Listening to those voices only will rob us of the need to live flourishing lives with our families and friends. If the vaccine was good enough for Her Majesty, then it is good enough for us. I call on those charged with the responsibility of rolling out the vaccine to ensure that it is delivered where the need is greatest, in our care homes and amongst those most vulnerable in our society. I implore the government also, morning, noon or night, whether waking or sleeping, to make it a priority that the vaccine effectively reaches those places where people are at greater risk of dying from the pandemic, remembering especially again those from our community who are on the front line in our hospitals and care facilities.
We are so blessed that the vaccines are starting now to be rolled out. And when a vaccine will be offered to you, you have a religious imperative to take it, to look after yourself and to look after those around you.
It is imperative that we view our situation now with an eye of urgency and not adopt a half-hearted approach to the vaccine. So do not listen to foolish conspiracy theories, silly, half-baked rumours and hearsay. Rather, follow those qualified and experts in their fields. These same medical professionals you have relied on all your life. Now when they recommend you to take the vaccine, you doubt them? Turn away from the ignorant, my brothers and sisters, and direct yourselves toward the scholars and experts.
Black and Asian communities have been disproportionately impacted by this awful virus. Now that a vaccine's here, it's really important that supplies are focused so that communities most at risk can access protection. But it's also important that when we're offered the vaccine, we take it. Now, look, I totally understand why people would be nervous about taking a new drug, and to be honest, it's also understandable that communities of colour would be cautious when it comes to dealing with the healthcare system. But now isn't the time for conspiracy theories. Over 100,000 British people have died from this virus.
It's really important that the vaccine gets out to places where there is the greatest need. The greatest need in the UK is in urban high-density areas where ethnicity is a risk factor, where BME communities have been disproportionately affected. So say yes to the vaccine, but equally we have a message for government. The rollout for the vaccinations is way too slow. We need to get the rollout done more effectively to get to our communities as quickly as possible.
We know that more people from Black, Asian and minority ethnic backgrounds are saying we are worried about the vaccine, we're not going to take the vaccine. Well, can I just say, too many of us have succumbed to this disease, too many of us have died. The vaccine is there to help you, to protect your families and to protect wider society. Please, please take the vaccine.
I've just recently taken the vaccine for coronavirus, and I want to urge everyone in the community, this is the time to take it, to seriously think about taking it. I do understand the concerns people have around the vaccine, the history of black and brown bodies being used for science, the misinformation and maybe lack of trust with government, especially around the rollout too. But I do urge everyone to take it. This is about saving lives. How many of us have lost family members, work colleagues, neighbours?
We need to protect ourselves, our families and our communities. And the only way we can do that is by taking the vaccine. Now, I know a lot of people have a lot of worries and concerns about the vaccine, but actually it is better than the alternative. Take it.
Last week, my mum got the first jab, and I can't wait for her to get the second.
We have to stop this. the impact of coronavirus is having a massive impact on Black and Asian minority communities in Britain today. We need to work together as a community to save ourselves so we can move forward.
Dear brothers and sisters, take the vaccine and save lives.
Umimena tifasher, and may we, together with all of humankind, be blessed with relief, with happiness, with good health, and with joy. God bless you all.
Stay safe. Take the vaccine.